If you're a foodie like me and you love trying new foods and new restaurants, this spreadsheet is perfect for you. This has a dashboard, a journal where you can rate the food and the restaurants, and a bucket list to write down all the restaurants that you want to go to and haven't been to yet. I have a bucket list as well for all the restaurants that I want to visit, and I am about halfway through. So I'm going to show you how this works. This is available in Google Sheets and Excel. It's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here's how it works. So this is the dashboard. This will show you the highest average score for the restaurant you've been to, the lowest, the second highest average, and the third highest average. It will show you the number of restaurants you visited and then the average scores so you can see which restaurant had the highest or lowest scores. This is actually your review journal. So you can put the date that you visited the restaurant here. You can put the restaurant name here, what location that the restaurant is at, and then you can choose from the drop-down box and choose what type of food it was. Now, if you don't like the types that I have, you can choose from the edit button and you can change this. So click edit, and then you can scroll down and change something. You can change the name, you can add another item, you can change the color, and when you're done, you can hit done, apply to all, and it will make the changes for you so you can see it here as well. Then you can put, what food you tried, and then you can rate your restaurant visit. So did you like the quality, 1 to 5, the taste, the presentation, what was the atmosphere like? How was the service, the value, and then the portion sizes. If you don't like what I have, if you wanted to change this, you just highlight it, and then whatever you would like to change it to, you can do that as well. And then this will make the average score for the restaurant visit itself. So then it will also show you the average restaurant score for all of the restaurants that you've been to. It will calculate the number of restaurants that you visited as well. This is your bucket list. So as you go and visit the restaurants that you've always wanted to visit, you can put the name, the location, the type, and then if you visited, you put the date and then any notes. I just went today and went to TripAdvisor, and they had just rated the best restaurants in the world. And I was trying to go in there and find some of the restaurants that was closest to my location. So I was able to write down a few more places that I'm really excited about visiting. So I've had this. So that's how this spreadsheet works. If you need anything else, please let me know. Again, this is available at savvyandthriving.com, and I hope you guys have a great day.